Hey, I'm Chris with Affordable Medical Mobility Solutions. Guys, right here, look how big this box is. It's big. It's gonna come straight truck. You have an option of doing white glove delivery, which I would probably suggest it to you, but this is an unboxing video of this. Forever bed's what we're gonna call it. It has a swivel turn, so I hope this video helps you if you're looking for a hospital bed. This is not your standard hospital bed. This is a deluxe bed that has a lot of cool features I think you're really gonna like, especially if you're gonna be taking care of someone at the house. So there's 3 different beds like this: a fixed, adjustable, and then your premier. This is the adjustable one. So this is the one right in the middle. So first you're just gonna get this box undone. There's a lot of staples. So we're just gonna rip this out. Just be careful doing this. Here you go. Here's what you have once you remove that box. Now we're going to just get rid of this wrap. Now, depends on what you order, rails and stuff. There'll be different boxes in here. This is for our display floor. We have a lot of people interested in this, and we're happy to be a new dealer of Med-Mizer. You'll see some beds that do this turn by Journey. Just make sure you check out all the specs. It's good to actually go see one in person, because some of those beds, if you're too short, it doesn't work for you. If you're too tall, it doesn't work. You have to kind of be at that right height for it to work. Where this one, we can accommodate a lot of different people's sizes. And it's adjustable in height. This one is, which is very important if you're taking care of somebody. Let's go ahead and remove this, because we'll probably put the rest of this up at the front. And here's the mattress. Now I'm going to show you this bed, this mattress is 2 different mattresses. So I'm not going to unbox this quite yet right here. And the reason for it is because this bed actually turns. They do have different bed options, mattresses options. So this is it's not the low end, this is the medium. So it's a nice mattress, but it's not like the super soft one. We didn't want the super soft. And we're gonna come in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just open these boxes, see what it is. This is the footboard. Oh! It's a lot. 4 people, just to really get it off of this is what they say. You're gonna go ahead and take this with a 1/2 drill bit. Just unscrew all this. We're going straight over. Ready? Oh God, these are gonna be a nightmare. Here they are. That's it. Move this bad boy. Pretty. What do you think? I still feel like it's going the other way. Oh, look at that. Sheets. Cane. Crotch. We'll see how that goes on the... Look at this. It comes with the blocks. You need the blocks to get it up so you can put the headrest on. Brandon, it came with it. So there's 3 different headboards to choose from when you get the adjustable one. It's this color, which we went with to kind of match our floors. They also have more of a cherry oak and a dark oak. All right, we're a step closer to getting the mattress on this bed. We'll add the extra rail. We also have another rail that we're going to add to it. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the mattress. And you can get covers for these mattresses also. This mattress is about 7 inches thick. And again, they have like 4 different mattress options to choose from. And we're going to come in and do a really good review video of this. But right now we're just showing you how to kind of unbox it. The manufacturer has a great unboxing video of the Premier bed, so it's a little bit different than this one. It's not that bad. You know, if you watch this video, it's really going to help you. The blocks that you need to attach the head and footboard, we didn't really know it was in there because we didn't open a certain box. So once we found those, we just use our regular board. It really helped. And then we did an error. We put the footboard on the headboard because the box said that. So I'll make sure I'll point that out to you. This is just a zipper because this can be removed. So just for example, I'm pretty sure the box said the headboard was the headboard, but I'm pretty sure it was the foot. When you get them out, obviously at the head, you want to see this look. At the foot, you're going to see this look. So before you really bolt everything down, make sure you don't have this plastic thing right here at the head. And it kind of just fits right in that, should fit right in that little gap. I might have to adjust this. Very nice mattress. It's got these you're gonna Velcro this to it. It's got straps. You can strap it to this grid. Really cool. Very nice mattress. Whoever gets this bed's really gonna love it. This bed's gonna be great to keep someone at home. I'm not gonna strap it, but if you do need to, you just loosen this, come down. It's just Velcro. Here's the sheets, which I'll put them on in a minute. They come with a set of sheets. Waterproof topper, but if someone's more of an incontinent, we have some really good diapers, pull-ups, or if you have them, or put chuck pads. This is a really nice mattress. So again, they make one that's fixed, and you can set these at different heights, but it's fixed. And then they make this one, that's the adjustable one. Why you would buy the adjustable one is for taking care of someone. When it's fixed height, you might be bending over. When it's adjustable height, you can take care of your loved one or your patient in the bed at this height. I'm about 5'6". This is about raised up to about 35 inches, which is very good. Obviously, you don't have to keep it this high, but it's powered up and down. Now you do have, I'm going to get into and show you, but I'm going to go ahead and do the rotate. So when you buy this, it's either going to rotate to the right or rotate to the left. So when you're laying in your bed in your room, figure out which way you're going to be getting out of the bed. That's what we need to know before we ship it. You can change the rotation, but it's not going to be something that easy. And this is what I'm talking about when it rotates. And that's probably why you want to do the Velcro. And you're probably going to need to have this away from the wall a little bit because of the turn. So we're going to slide this out. It's got 4 locking casters. Now check this out. Now obviously you're not going to want to really rotate it at this high unless you're really tall. So when we bring this down, so if someone's 4'8", can use this bed to, I believe, like 6'4", 6'3". It's made in the USA, holds up to 600 pounds. So this is a bed cane to help someone get out. All right, so you can see the chair being displayed right now. This is the ActiveCare adjustable one, but I do want to point out something to you. They have an ActiveCare Deluxe bed. There's also some different headboard covers. And you can get this with some different mattresses. They have a Deluxe mattress, Elite mattress, and then they have a ActiveCare Air mattress. This is the one we're displaying, is the ActiveCare standard bed. I might call it the adjustable one. Again, some different colors and some different mattresses. You can put staff controls into the headboard. You have different types of lighting, USB, trapeze bars, and then you have your fixed bed. That's going to be this one with some different color options too. So if you have any questions about this bed, if you're looking for a long-term care bed, this is the one to maybe think about. It's very nice, it's very quiet, it's made in the United States, and we think it can be something very beneficial to someone staying at home by themselves that's active, that needs help getting out, the rotation, or if you're taking care of somebody, this could be a good bed for them too. So give us a call at 803-926-2224, see if we can help you. We will be adding it to our website. Our website's affordablemedicalusa.com. If you don't see that on the website quite yet, just give us a call. Let's go over this bed. You definitely need to speak to someone. There's a lot of different accessories and options for you, so just be careful if you see this online at a lower price. Make sure you're getting what we're displaying right here. Thank you so much.